Good afternoon and welcome back to the Ideal Gardens channel. So about a fortnight ago I took a video of this wisteria, which I'll show you in a minute. When I posted it, it was just about to come out in flower, and now it is in its full bloom. This is my actual favourite time of year, when all the wisterias are coming out, and the smell and the bees and everything. So the ones I've trained for all my customers in clients' houses, they're all starting to fully bloom, come out in full bloom now. So in this sunshine, so it's going to be a hot week here in the UK, so they should look at their best. So before I show you what I did, or what it looks like now, I trained this piece of stem going right the way along this little archway here, tied it against just one stem all the way along. It's just about to, well, it's nearly in flower on this one, but this is quite a young stem that I managed to get from the main branch, or the main parent plant itself. So wide a minute, that's all it takes, just one stem. You can train it to wherever you want it to go, really. So there's never been one on here. There used to be a climbing rose on this archway. That unfortunately killed over. We put a new post and rail in, and I trained this one piece coming along from the main plant. So I'll take you around, you better see what it looks like now. So when you last saw it on one of the other videos I posted up 2 weeks ago, it was just about to flower, and now, ta-da! Look at that. Look how full that is. Oh, the smell is, if you could stand it, if this is smell-o-vision, it would be smelly good. Little joke there. And that will go on flowering now for a good few weeks, and then it would hopefully do a second burst if the weather stays good. So I've just been feeding it, training it, watering it. It's covered in bees because we've got a bee hive just over the back of us. Just wants good secured wall hooks, wiring, good feeding, good pruning. And it's not a big space neither. As you can see, it's only that space. It only lives in that one section. So if you keep it all pruned back and keep the stems, keep it all tight back in, and do a summer prune throughout the year, then do the main prune, as I may have mentioned about in February. You can also have a wisteria looking like this. I can zoom right in, you can see the it's just absolutely, the flowers just so, the perfume one that coming out of this is so intense. And there's the framework right in there, all wired up against the wall. That's all it takes. If I zoom right back out, you can see it again. So yeah, this is the archway. That's that one stem. The flower just still yet to come out. Yeah, there we go. Wisteria chinensis in its full glory. So any wall or anything like that, you can use them as standards. You can grow them up trees, you can grow them walls or fencing or pergolas, archways. Just keeping control of the pruning both twice a year, and then the feeding, and yeah, you can also create this look. Okay, hope you enjoy what I post, and please subscribe to my channel. It'd be nice to have more subscribers. Then look out for buy me a coffee, so also on there as well. So ding the bell, like and subscribe, and I shall see you soon. Bye for now.